Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using a forgotten palette. This week the palette is going to be the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. This used to be all the rave when it first came out, not only because it smells like chocolate, but the colors are just delicious. I love the whole look of this pan. You can get so many makeup looks from this. So this is what we will be using today. Now I've already done my face, so all that's left now is just using this palette here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the white chocolate in the palette, which is right here, and we are just going to dust this all over the lid to kind of set everything. Alright, now that we have that lid color down, we're going to use this is pretty much my favorite crease brush. This is from Royal and Lang Nickel, the Mata Pro. This is the BMX 430 crease. Pretty much use this like all the time. So the first color I'm going to start out with is the Salted Caramel, which is right here, and then I'm going to go into the Milk Chocolate to kind of deepen it up, and from there we may go into the Semi-Sweet, which is this one here. I'll look at it once I actually have the other two colors on, and then we'll go in and see what we want next. Alright, and as you can tell, I used that Salted Caramel and I really blew it out all the way almost up to the brows there. So now we're going to go into the Milk Chocolate and kind of deepen up just the crease. I'm going to keep this closer to the lid and not go up so high. So now that that's deepened up just a little bit, I'm going to change out the brush. I'm going to go with a smaller crease brush here. This is from Lexi, and this is the small tapered blending 231. So we're going to go into that Semi-Sweet color there because it's just a tad bit darker, and really darken up that outer edge. Alright, go back with the Salted Caramel and the larger brush there, and we just want to clean that up a little. And I'm also going to take that Salted Caramel, put that right underneath there. Just really want to blow out that color on the lower lash line as well. Going with the Milk Chocolate and the smaller tapered blush. Alright, so I want to go with just a little bit of a darker look today. I'm not going to, still going to be into the natural kind of browns and stuff, but really want to give it a kick. So we're going to use this glided ganache color right here. It's almost like a brown, green, gold color. I'm going to use this all over the lid. And I'm using my Crystal Sense BRC SO7 brush. It's kind of like a angled fluffy brush. And going back again with the salted caramel. Then I'm going to use the Triple Fudge here, which is a really dark brown. And we're going to use that kind of like eyeliner for the underneath, just to really sharpen it up. Just gonna clean up there in the corner of the eye a little bit. We just want to blend that out. Alright, next we're going to use the champagne truffle. We're going to put that in the inner corner just to brighten up this little bit here. And we're also going to, right at the brow bone, just to highlight that little bit there. That looks nice. Alright, so this is what we've got so far. That color really came out nice. It is a very dark look for today. I'm gonna go ahead, get my eyeliner put on, my mascara, my lipstick, and then I will be back. Alright, so here is my finished look. I decided to do my eyeliner as the bird's eye to kind of give it more of an almond shaped. And the lip color that I went with is Taurus from ColourPop, because I just figured a good brown will go with this great dark color that I have going on here. So here is the close-up. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just giving a different eye look to use with a forgotten palette that I'm sure you have stashed away and haven't touched in a little while. So I hope this encourages you to go through and look at some of your older palettes and see about maybe giving them a second chance. Again, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified the next time I upload. I thank you for watching, and you have a great day.